Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. Yeah, don't mind my hair. I haven't had time to shower. I've been so swamped. Okay, so the company wiskf contacted me again, and they wanted to work with me again. So we're gonna have a giveaway, but not in this video. It'll be sometime in the very near future. They want to have a giveaway for 5 gift cards again, worth $8 each. And so that'll be in another video. But I want to show you what I picked out. I'm really excited. They sent these to me no charge. And I'm just so excited about it because, sorry about the bag, because I had mentioned to them that I think if you put a print on your tote bags that has to do with crochet, they would sell like crazy. And I mean, they have great prices over there at wiskf. If you haven't checked them out, of course, check them out. All the links for these bags will be below, and they send them in individually packaged. And so when they contacted me and wanted to work with me again, I thought, oh, did they do some crochet prints on their bags? And yes, they did. I'm so excited. Where is the opening? Oh, golly, golly, golly. Oh, I found it here. All right, so of course I grabbed some. I think I have 5, and they're all different. So let me get into this. And these bags are really, really cool. They make great project bags or bags just to take out shopping with you. They have handles. They're a box bottom. They're a nice size. And they're zippered. I love these bags so much. I've gotten several from them. And they're lined. They have a zippered pocket inside. Yeah, so I just love them. And they seem to be very good quality. So let's take, well, they are very good quality because I've gotten several. And they are very well made. Oh, I'm so excited. Look. Oh my goodness, that's a crochet hook and a ball of yarn. And it says crocheting. And it has a couple of hearts, a few hearts. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited about these bags. Oh my goodness, so excited. Isn't that great? They had asked me to send some pictures of, you know, examples of things that maybe that have to do with crochet. So I had found I just found a website. They had some, you know, prints, but they weren't on anything. They were just, you have to buy the print, I think, and then you could use it, or no, maybe, I don't know. No, maybe not buy them, but maybe just, you can use them not to sell items with the print on them. So anyway, they said they would check to see if they were available and to use on their products. And so these are what they came up with. So oh, these are so nice. Look, crochet handmade with a crochet hook. Oh my goodness. And that's a chain, a starting chain. Oh my goodness. Isn't that great? Oh, I'm just so excited about these bags. Because I don't know about you guys, but I've seen a lot of bags that are, that have knitting needles. I don't know. I haven't seen a lot with crochet hooks. Have you guys? So I thought, you know, we need crochet hooks. Okay, I can't find where this bag opens. Oh my gosh. Come on, where is it? Where is it? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I opened the rest of them. There's 3 more to show you. Okay, so there's this one. There's 2 balls of yarn. There's a lady's hands, and she's crocheting something. I don't know, does that look like knit? But anyway, she's crocheting something. Is that nice? Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have 2 more here. These are fabulous, you guys. You guys. That's beautiful. Look at this. It's a heart. A heart of yarn with a wooden crochet hook through there. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, now one more. Okay. I think this is my favorite. Oh my. It's got the word crochet written in yarn. And there's a cat crocheting a cat. Look. It has its tail pinned on there. It's making a super long tail. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. So which one is your favorite? Which one do you like? Okay, so the links for all of these. I thought there was a different one I had picked out, but it was a while ago, so I'm not sure. So which one is your favorite? This has got to be my favorite. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned for another video coming soon that has a giveaway for gift cards. Wisk is so generous, and they're so generous. So any information, like the Wisk website, will be linked below. That was so much fun. Did you guys have fun? So thank you, Wisk, so much for taking my suggestion. So I mean, they have a lot of crochet designs now on bags. I don't know if they have them on other items, but they do sell, they sell pillowcases, they sell aprons, they sell cosmetic bags that we use as notions pouches. Maybe they have crochet in those too. I don't know. I was too excited to look on their site before I came on here to open these. All right, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much, Wisk, and I'll see you all again for that giveaway video. All right, bye.